F250 Extended Cab. Tired of the same tedious drive? Well, change up things with this fully loaded 2006 Ford F250 SD. This reliable F250 SD will handle all the work tasks you need done, and do it with comfort and safety to spare. New car test drive said it delivers a combination of style, interior comfort, performance, ride and handling that's hard to beat. J.D. Power and Associates gave the 2006 F250 SD 4.5 out of 5 power circles for overall initial quality design. Visit www.realdeal.com/OXB54 to view a free price check. With our 5-day money-back guarantee, you can buy with confidence. If you decide that the vehicle you purchased is not exactly what you wanted, you can return the vehicle up to 5 days after taking delivery without penalty. This is an OT and exchange policy. It is a true 5-day money-back return policy. We just have a limit of 500 miles on the vehicle from delivery.